Alright guys, thanks for your patience. Grail Punt number 214, which is Werewolf by Night. Number 32, first appearance of Midnight. Let's get down here. Oop. Going live, and the time is 9:20. And the local time in Perth is 9:20 on Wednesday the 17th of June 2020. Let's go 3 dice roll. And we have 8. So let's have a look at our list. So we've got at number 1, Roger Navarro, down to number 110, which is Stephen. I've put those in already. Roger at 1, down to 110, which is Stephen. And we're going for 8 rolls. Let's get it started. Good luck, everybody. Roll 1. Roll 2. Roll 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7 times. Let's double check that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good luck everyone. It's going to hopefully go into a new home, and here we go. So we've got 8 times there. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Stephen Reynolds, another win of one of my punts. Congratulations, mate. Spot number 98. I think that was one of your early spots. Congrats, buddy. Let's put this in. 9:22. And it's 9:22 on the 17th of June, a Wednesday night. Thanks everyone. Winner, hit me up when you see this. Go back to that to have a look. Final look. There you are.